you trying to do to my beloved car?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
You are dumb, Private Pile, but do you expect me to believe that you don't know left from right?
Sir, no, sir.
Then you did that on purpose.
You wanna be different?
Sir, no, sir!
Are you sure, Private Pile?
Sir, no, sir. Sir, sir, sir,
Are you sure, Private Pile?
sir, yes, sir.
What? What side was that, Private Pile?
Sir, right side, sir.
Don't fuck with me again, Pile. Pick up your fucking cover.
Tonight, you are a worthless piece of shit, Pile.
Sir,
Because this is the only pussy you people are going to get. You're married to this piece in the wood. And you will be faithful. You eat it. You want to be different.